Alright, it's time to assemble the rear drivetrain. This one is a bit easier. There are fewer components and many parts are identical to what we used in the front assembly. For this step we will need 4 suspension arms, 2 wheel hubs, I'll start with the screws. I'm too lazy to do everything manually, so I'm switching to the electric screwdriver. You can find the link in the component list. First, let's prepare the upper arms by installing 4 8mm screws into each one. As always, the screw should not protrude from the other side. Now insert 4 10mm screws into each of the lower arms. And then do the same for the second lower arm. Next we need to press 6x10x3mm bearing into each wheel hub. Sometimes they simply click into place. And sometimes the holes need a bit of extra cleaning before the bearings slide in smoothly. Install the bearing into the second wheel hub as well. Both hubs are now ready. Let's begin the assembly. Attach the upper arm to the differential case using 2 screws. Don't apply too much force at first. Once the screw is fully seated, tighten it firmly. Then install the lower arm using the same approach. The bulged side must face the rounded plate on the differential housing. Now take a drive shaft, insert it into the wheel hub and screw it to the lower arm. Rear wheel hubs are identical, there is no left or right, but they do have a top and bottom. The bottom section is slightly wider. Let's secure the upper arm first. and then tighten the screw that connects the lower arm to the hub. Now take the second lower arm and attach it to the differential. Same rule as before, the bulge faces the rounded plate. Align the holes and secure the arm with 2 screws. Then add the upper arm using the same technique. Next, insert a drive shaft into the second wheel hub and attach the drive shaft to the upper arm. Then to the lower arm. Finally, tighten all screws. And that's it. We now have fully assembled front and rear drivetrains. In the next chapter, we will talk about the suspension options available for this RC car. Stay tuned.